Hi guys, welcome to
Feed Me Good!
Today we'll be making vegan Shahi tofu. It is gluten free and nut free. Plus we haven't used any coconut cream either to achieve this creamy texture. So let's get started. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Two tablespoons of roughly chopped garlic. 1 tablespoon of roughly chopped ginger, 2 medium roughly sliced onions, and half a tablespoon of roughly chopped green chilies. Mix everything and saute till the onions turn golden. Then add 4 medium roughly sliced tomatoes. Try using red ripe tomatoes. Add 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 2 tablespoons of melon seeds or magaj, 2 to 4 Kashmiri red chilies based on your heat tolerance level. Mix everything and cook for 2 minutes. Add salt as required. We will now cover the pan and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes or till the tomatoes turn mushy. Give it a quick stir in between to prevent it from sticking and burning from the bottom. Once it's cooked, remove the lid and transfer the mixture to a blender jar. Add 1 cup of ice cubes and blend the mixture well till a smooth creamy mixture is achieved. Transfer the blended mixture to a strainer. We will strain this mixture to remove any seed discards or something that has not blended well. This is very important for a creamy texture, so make sure you do this. While that is happening, hit the like button. It is a great way to support us, so please make sure that you hit the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell icon and select all to never miss any of our unique recipes. Moving back to the recipe, we will discard whatever is left behind in the strainer and keep our creamy mixture aside. In the same pan that was used earlier, we will add 1 tablespoon of oil, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We will cook this for 1 minute on a low flame. And then we will add our blended mixture. Mix everything well. Cover and cook for an additional 5 minutes. Then we will open the lid and add 400 grams of tofu. If you do not like tofu, you can use any other protein of your choice or add mixed vegetables or even shallow fried potatoes. You can also shallow fry your tofu, bake it or air fry it before adding it to the curry in case you want the tofu to be crispy. I prefer a softer tofu for curries, so that is why I have not fried it. Add water to adjust the consistency of the gravy and cook till the gravy boils. Let it boil for a minute or 2. Then add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi. Crush the kasuri methi with your hands and add it to the gravy. And that's it guys, our easy vegan Shahi tofu is ready. You can enjoy this with naan, rotis, fulkas or even rice. Do let us know what you think about this recipe, and in case you want us to make any particular recipe, you can let us know in the comment section below.